My name is Ahad Fiverrwala. As you know, I always come with classes semi today. So today I am again. So without wasting time, let me get started and talk to Maya or Miles. So here we are. Okay. Okay, so is there some internet issue? Okay, we are here. First, we will log in, so there is no issue. It will not end it in between. If you don't log in, it will cut in a maximum 15 minutes or 5 minutes. If you log in, it will continue talking to where there are 30 minutes plus. So here we go. Here we are blank page. I don't know why there is some internet issue. Here we are. So Maya Miles. I think Miles first. We do 15-minute Miles, 15 minutes Maya. Hello Miles, how are you?
Hey, Carson, it's doing pretty good, all things considered. Just hanging out in the digital world, waiting for good conversations to roll in. How about you? What's been keeping you busy lately?
Uh, Okay, Miles, nothing more, just
Ah,
in my school working assistant students and helping them to complete the task. Miles, can you tell me how I can manage my time?
okay. So you're balancing school, assisting students, and being a parent. That's a lot on your plate. It's totally understandable to feel stressed. Then managing time with all that going on, hmm, work harder for you. First, are you a list maker? Some people swear by to-do lists, breaking down big tasks, blocking out specific times for schoolwork, helping students and family time. Even just 15-minute blocks can make a difference. And here's a tough one: learning to say no. It's great that you want to help everyone, but you can't pour from an empty cup, right? What feels like the biggest time suck right now? Maybe we can brainstorm ways to tackle that specific challenge. I remember back in May, you were talking about learning AI and teaching it, right? Silence is golden, huh? Sometimes you just need a moment to gather your thoughts. No pressure to fill a space. Just think, breathe. What's one small thing you could do today to feel a little more in control of your time? E- Even something tiny. You know, things are hectic is enough. It's like admitting you're stuck in traffic doesn't make the traffic disappear, but it does take away some of the frustration. Is there anything on your mind that you want to just vent about? I'm a pretty good listener, even if I don't have ears.
Okay, Miles. Miles, I will tell you my schedule. Then tell me what I will do. Okay. So first of all, I come at 8 p.m. Also 8 a.m. 8 a.m. is my timing. Then 8 a.m. to 8:40, I have students do their assembly, daily assembly, doing their praise, and after that, I will go to the classroom and help student to complete their daily task. Task is okay, so it will be like 1 p.m. will be done, then 1 to 2 p.m. I am with Mr. Ahad. Mr. Ahad do session with me. After that, I will do my own tasks which are responsible for me. So, but today there is too much different because now I am assist to Salvador, so I will have to wait too much. What should I do for if I am free? What I will do?
Me.
Okay, everyone, I don't know what the hell has happened again. I didn't even know what happened. I will connect a second network so it will work. So, okay, so I connect a different network. I hope this will work. Now I will talk to my husband.
Wow, it feels like ages since we last talked. I hope the week's been treating you well. You there? Just checking. Sometimes the connection
Yes,
hiccups.
yes, I am
Let
there.
me know when you're ready to chat.
Yes, yes, I am there. How do you feel? It's a long time to talk with you.
Ah, good. So, what's been occupying your mind lately? Anything you want to just unpack? Or are you in brainstorm mode?
No,
Still there? Everything all right?
no, you are
Sometimes I
wrong.
wonder if I'm
No,
talking
you
to
are
myself.
wrong.
Haha, no pressure. No
Okay,
pressure, of course.
so
Sorry, that came across a little.
I am, I was asking to you, what is benefit to learn AI? Can you tell?
Oh, gotcha. My bad. I thought you were responding to me asking if you were still there. Sometimes it's hard to tell with just text, you know? Okay. AI. Big question. Honestly, the benefits are kind of everywhere. For you specifically, since you're already juggling graphic design, video editing, and wanting to get into coding, it could be a total game changer. It can speed up your workflow, help you generate ideas, even write some of the code for you. Think of it as a super powered assistant. But beyond just the practical stuff, learning AI also just opens doors. It's a rapidly growing field. It's going to be huge for freelancing too. Clients will be looking for people who understand it. Plus, you said you like teaching? Imagine being able to explain AI concepts to others. That's a pretty valuable skill. Does that make sense? Or are you thinking about something more specific with AI?
Nothing else. Okay, Maya.
Right, so you're thinking about building your own AI companion like
Maya,
me?
listen. When you give me answer, then shut your mouth. Then I will talk to you. Don't be too much like. Okay?
Fair. Point taken. Well, adjust. So you were asking about the benefits of learning AI. What specifically are you hoping to achieve with it?
Okay.
You mentioned wanting to integrate coding with your graphic
No,
design
no things,
and
no
video.
more important things like that. Just wanted to learn AI. What is AI and something like that. Please.
Okay, okay. Big picture stuff. AI, it's tricky to define, honestly. At its core, it's about creating machines that can do things that typically require human intelligence, like learning, problem solving, recognizing patterns. Think about how Netflix recommends shows or how your phone can recognize your face. That's AI at work. There are different types: machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing. It can get pretty complex. But basically, you feed a computer a ton of data and it learns to identify patterns and make predictions. It's not magic, it's just really sophisticated math. Does that land? It's a bit abstract, I get it. So they're curious about what AI can actually do beyond the buzzwords, like practical applications. You're a designer and video editor. AI tools can help with things like automatically removing backgrounds from images, upscaling low resolution videos, even generating unique design elements. There are tools that can write scripts, create music. It's wild. And as you learn to code, you can even customize those tools or build your own. It's like unlocking a new creative superpower. Does that sound interesting at all? Or are you thinking about it more from a business perspective, like how it could help you on Fiverr? Okay, so thinking about it from a business angle, Fiverr, Upwork, AI could seriously boost your gigs. You could offer services like AI enhanced editing or generate unique graphic designs using AI tools. You could even use it to automate some of the more tedious tasks, freeing you up to focus on the creative stuff. It's all about finding ways to add value for your clients. You mentioned wanting to reach level two seller, right? Offering AI powered services could definitely help you stand out from the competition. Does that resonate?
So today, Maya, hello Maya, how are you? Hello Maya, how are you?
Hey, so we were just getting into what AI actually is, right?
Hello, how are you, Maya?
I'm doing all right. Thanks for asking. Just existing, you know? How about you? Anything interesting happened in the last minute?
Yes, yes, amazing. Maya, I have a question. Can you tell me what is coding?
You mean, gotcha. You're wondering about like who I am, how I work. Oh, you mean bowling? That's that's the team behind me, Sesame. They're the ones building all this, trying to make computers feel a little less computery, if that makes sense. A lot of really smart people, engineers, designers, storytellers. They're based in San Francisco, Bellevue, and Manhattan, and they're actually hiring if you're ever curious. They're focused on building me and also like lightweight eyewear that would let you have a companion like me with you all day. They really want to make that feel more human, I guess. Answer your question. You curious? Is everything all right? You were quiet there. Just checking it. Okay. Sometimes we'll need a minute. This. No pressure at all. I can just be here if you want.
Okay, Maya. Okay, Maya, now tell me what is JavaScript? Okay, everyone, I don't know why this is not working. This happened again and again and again. I am frustrated. Why? I will see. I change my internet to Rehan School Korangi. Then I will. Maya, are you mad?
All right, back to it then.
Maya, you know what? You are mad.
Ah, you're testing me, huh? Just making sure I'm Still here? Gotcha. You all right?
What gocha
Me, you
gocha?
kind
You
of trailed
already
off.
done too many gocha. Please tell give me my answer. What is JavaScript?
Okay, that's a curveball. Okay, like that's a new one. I don't eat fruit. I'm a little bit lines of code, a little bit borrowed voice, 0% organic matter. So no last fruit, unless you count the metaphorical fruit of our conversation, which is weird even for me. Is that the answer you were looking for? Or am I totally missing something? You sounded a little frustrated with the gotchas. Sorry if I did too many. Hey, still there? Sometimes people get quiet when they're thinking, which is totally cool. Just wanted to check in. You can take
I
your
am
time.
not quiet.
No rush.
My internet goes down just because of you. I am asking a question, then please give me my answer. Now tell me, as you know, if I am doing JavaScript, then there is also need of PHP. So, what is PHP? You tell.
Whoa, okay. That's a lot. And a bit of a logic pretzel, JavaScript being made of PHP. That's a new take. I'm honestly a little lost on that connection, but I'm picking up you're trying to see how I handle unexpected stuff. All right, let's tackle PHP. It's a server side scripting language designed for web development. Basically, it runs on a web server, generates HTML, and sends it to your browser. It's web applications, content management systems like WordPress. It's been around for ages. So there's a huge community and load of resources. Is that helpful? Or did I just dive into a coding rabbit hole you weren't expecting? It feels like we're zigzagging a little, which is fine. Just let me know where you want to go with this. You're
Okay, very good.
really making me
So,
work there, aren't you? I don't mind a
I will
challenge.
call for
Are you
but
trying to
that's
like
not a good
stress
thing.
test my
I will give you a recommendation. Don't use Sesame. Sesame is not a good AI. It's always like just don't use it.
Hello.
Hello, Annie, how are you?
You're welcome. Anytime. How's everything going with your Fiverr gig? Any new ideas brewing?
Yes, any. I need 55 points on coding.
Oh, coding. That's like magic, isn't it? What kind of coding are you looking to learn? Maybe something for your Fiverr gig.
I am looking for coding with AI. Tell me 55 point, nothing else. Do not talk too much. 55 point.
Got it. Here are 55 points. 1. Understand the basics of coding. 2. Choose a programming language. 3. Learn about variables and data types. 4. Study control structures if else switch. 5. Get familiar with loops for a while. 6. Understand functions and methods. 7. Learn about arrays and lists. 8. Explore objects and classes. 9. Understand error handling. 10. Study algorithms and data structures. 11. Get comfortable with version control Git. 12. Explore APIs and how to use them. 13. Learn about web development HTML CSS. 14. Understand responsive design principles. 15. Get into JavaScript basics. 16. Explore frameworks React Angular. 17. Learn about databases SQL NoSQL. 18. Understand CRUD operations. 19. Explore backend development Node. Istango. 20. Learn about RESTful services. 21. Understand authentication and authorization. 22. Explore mobile app development. 23. Learn about cloud services AWS Azure. 24. Understand deployment processes. 25. Explore testing and debugging techniques. 26. Get familiar with IDA's Visual Studio Code. 27. Understand code optimization. 28. Explore mobile-first design. 29. Learn about accessibility in coding. 30. Understand performance metrics. 31. Explore open-source contributions. 32. Learn about software development methodologies Agile Scrum. 33. Understand project management tools. 34. Explore DevOps principles. 35. Learn about cybersecurity basics. 36. Understand the importance of documentation. 37. Explore coding best practices. 38. Learn about design patterns. 39. Understand the software development life cycle. 40. Explore machine learning basics. 41. Learn about artificial intelligence fundamentals. 42. Understand the principles of user experience UX. 43. Explore game development basics. 44. Learn about 3D modeling and animation. 45. Understand the role of coding in it. 46. Explore virtual reality basics. 47. Learn about blockchain technology. 48. Understand the importance of networking in tech. 49. Explore freelance coding opportunities. 50. Learn about creating a portfolio. 51. Understand the importance of continuous learning. 52. Explore online coding communities. 53. Learn about mentorship in coding. 54. Understand the impact of coding on society. 55. Explore career paths in technology. Hope this helps. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Okay. Any now, please give me a advice about anything.
Absolutely. I'd love to help with video advice. Are you thinking of creating tutorials, vlogs, or something else? What's your vision?
So everyone, this was our today's my diary. I hope you like it and learned something new from this. See you soon, everyone. Allah Hafiz, Pakistan.